It's opening day at my local field Frontline Airsoft in Mexico, New York.
Hey. One, two, three, four, five. Ah, fuck.
Got it a second time?
Yeah, in the neck. Fucking Ryan.
Shot by my arch nemesis Ryan. He has a habit of hitting me on the exposed skin of my neck constantly. We're playing a scenario where there are 3 flags scattered around the field, and whoever has the most race after 20 minutes is the winner.
Steve, watch my 6.
Yeah.
I see it.
Fucking safety.
He's using you as a shield, man.
So the Scorpion is an outstanding gun, but I struggled mightily with it this day. I just kept knocking it into safe on accident, forgetting to hit the slide release after reloading, or just running out of ammo.
Fuck. A lot of the complaints about this gun are the hitting the safety. I can certainly see why now. I keep knocking it into safe.
This game mode introduces big swings as you try to capture new ground and hold on to the flags you have. After I got knocked off the flag closest to the yellow team spawn, they pushed up hard to control of 2 of the 3 flags.
Oh. No.
I totally did almost shoot him. We got stuck trying to move up not far outside our spawn. The yellow team was smart and just stacked up defensively, waiting for the clock to run out.
Watch your right! Hit. Ooh, I'm hit. Someone shoot me from over here.
With about a minute left, there was nothing left to lose, so I just made a mad dash for the flag.
Fucking dang.
I got lucky, and it seems like my teammates had knocked yellow off their spots, making my heroic dash a little less impressive than it was in my head.
Ha!
I had a great kickoff day at the field. Saw a bunch of new players, a couple of kids showed up who were really great sports, and a few first-timers who really played well. Just a perfect day with a really good crowd. Thank you to all who came out, and thanks to all of you who sat through this video. See you soon for another one.